In this video, you'll learn how to let someone in from the waiting room in Google Meet. This is a really useful skill if you're hosting classes, work meetings, or any kind of online session where you want to control who joins and when. I'll walk you through how it works, what you'll see on your screen, and a few tips to keep things running smoothly. First, make sure you're already in the meeting as the host. That simply means you're the person who either created the meeting link or started the meeting from your calendar or Google Meet homepage. When you join, you'll want to stay in the meeting as the host so that you can manage anyone who's trying to join from the waiting room. Once you're in the meeting, keep an eye on your screen for any notifications that someone is waiting. In Google Meet, when a participant tries to join and ends up in the waiting room, you'll usually see a small pop-up notification, often near the bottom or top of the window, telling you that someone wants to join. You might also see a number appear next to the people icon, which shows how many participants are currently waiting. To view waiting participants in more detail, move your mouse over to the people icon, usually near the top or side of the screen, and click on it. This opens the participants panel. Here you'll see everyone who is already in the meeting, as well as a section that shows anyone who is waiting to be admitted. Their names will appear in a separate area, clearly marked, so you can easily tell who is not yet in the meeting. Take a moment to review the list of waiting participants. This is your chance to confirm that the person trying to join is someone you recognize or are expecting. This step is important for keeping your meeting secure and avoiding unexpected visitors. If everything looks correct and you're ready to let them in, you'll see an Admit button next to each waiting participant's name. Now simply click Admit. As soon as you do this, that person will be moved from the waiting room into the main meeting. They'll be able to see and hear what's happening, and other participants will be able to see and hear them, depending on their own camera and microphone settings. If there are multiple people waiting, you can either admit them one by one, or if Google Meet shows you an option, you may be able to admit all waiting participants at once. If you ever accidentally leave the meeting while people are still in the waiting room, just rejoin as the host. Once you're back in, you'll again be able to view waiting participants and admit them using the same process. That's all there is to it. Stay in the meeting as the host, watch for notifications, open the participant list to view who's waiting, and click Admit to let them in. With these simple steps, you'll be able to manage your Google Meet waiting room confidently and keep your meetings organized and secure.